They've really improved the road system here in Sudbury. They still have a ways to go, though. Not too. We got this little it's a machine called the Python. It's about the size of a Zamboni. Belongs to the city. It's a pothole filling machine. The guy is sitting in like a bubble type thing, and he's got all these levers and a steering wheel and everything. And all the tools are on the outside and the front. He can, I don't know what they are, but anyway, it drops the asphalt in the hole, the pothole, and then it's got some other tool that pats it down, steamrolls it, a little steamroller. Yeah, it's pretty neat. Yeah, it's pretty neat. Just one of them. Occasionally I see him out there. Seems to be like the same driver too. It's always the same guy. Yeah. Does a pretty good job too. Out of there, Chris. Raven.
What are they called, those sticks that they have in the road?
Bollards.
Yeah, they have them here too.
Yeah.
That's what scared me, because they have a bunch of them.
If they're wide enough for a bus, they're wide enough for us.
Yeah.